Hello and welcome to GL Finance tutorial. This video gives an overview of the GL Finance interface. The GL Finance interface has four primary views. We have the home view, which I am currently on, the income view, the expense view, the transfer view. The GL Finance interface also has three secondary views, and these secondary views can be seen when you click on the menu button. As you can see highlighted, the menu button. So the menu button, and then we have three secondary views: the range view, the category view, and then the tutorial view. The home view gives a snapshot of the amounts that you have in three different accounts. You have the cash account, which is the physical cash that you have with you. You have the mobile money, which is the amount that you have in your mobile wallet. And then you have the bank account, which is the amounts that you have in your bank. When you combine the amounts in these various accounts, you're going to get the total amount. The income view gives you a snapshot of the amounts that you've generated so far within a specific period. The income performance gives you or shows you the amount that you've generated in a specific period. As you can see, you have Ghana cedis 00.00, and just beneath it, the period is all months and years. This can be changed, and that will be shown later in other videos. You also have the income summary, which gives you the various categories and how much they contribute to the total income. You also have this plus sign here, which allows you to access a form for entering details of income generated. The same thing applies to expense and won't be emphasized. We have the transfer view. The transfer view shows you the intertransactions between the three different accounts, namely cash, mobile money, and then bank. So for instance, if you transfer 1,000 cedis from your bank account into your mobile money account, what happens is that you've done the transactions from the bank to that mobile money. That's an intertransactions, and this is where you enter it in your transaction form by just pressing the plus, okay? And all the transactions that you've done so far will appear here. Let's move to the secondary views. You have the range. Just as you saw with the income performance, you see the all months and years. This is where you make changes, okay? You see all months and all years. So let's say you want a specific month, so January 2024, and then you save. You're going to see that it has now changed from all months and years to January 2024. So this is where you make the period changes. Moving to category, you could see the various categories. We'll explain that in later videos. And then you have the tutorial view, which functions to help you understand and use the app in an efficient way. Apart from the various views that exist, you have these two buttons here. One of the most important buttons is the sync button. That's the one that is beaten so far. And when you click on the sync button, what it does is that it refreshes the page. It refreshes the page. So if you see anything unusual within your app and you want it to come to normal, you just have to click on the sync button. What the sync button also does is that it allows the entries that you've made to be stored in our online sheet, in our online Google sheet. So let's say you make an entry for transfer and you are done. It will be nice to just click on the sync button, and then it syncs it so that anyone who has access to this same app could see the changes that you've made. That is it for our first video.